I crazy, or is this a secret to a record-breaking harvest? Today I'm taking a risk by planting out some lettuce and our spinach in our 4 square meter garden. It's mid-February and the frost is still biting, but we are using our fleece protection to see if these hardy greens can survive the edge of the winter. Let's get them in. These seedlings have been growing indoors, but they need to toughen up. We are planting them out in our 4 square meter bed which we built, and look at this soil. It's still cold, but the structure is perfect. We are spacing them tightly together to maximize every inch of this garden bed. This is our only hope. It's fleece cover. It creates a microclimate and it traps the earth's heat and keep off the chill winds of our delicate leaves. It can make the difference of 2 to 3 degrees, which is life or death right now. I am securing it tightly so the March wind don't blow it away. If a deep freeze hits, we can lose them all. But if this works, we will be eating fresh salads weeks before our neighbor has buying their seeds. This is pushing the season to its limit. For now, I would say happy gardening and see you in the next.